Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, it is part of our system that when we are tired, we go for a break, we go for a vacation, we go for rest. Hindi masamang magpahinga kapag tayo'y pagod. Ang masama yung sumuko tayo ng dahil lamang napagod tayong gumawa, kumilos, o maski ang lumaban para sa buhay. My dear brothers and sisters, in our gospel reading today, Jesus recommended to His disciples to have a break after their very tiring mission. The Lord recognized how tired His disciples were, and so He said to His apostles, "Let us go off by yourselves into a remote place and have some rest." Mga kapatid, ang magpahinga po ay napakahalaga sapagkat alam ng Panginoon that we are not just spiritual beings. We are also corporeal beings. Man is composed of body and soul. And so, even if the spirit is so full, so vibrant, when the body is weak, it cannot move, it cannot do much. And so it is very important that we also take good care of our body, because our body is an expression of who we are. The body reveals who we are, and the body also reveals our God to others. Kaya po ang Panginoon, sabi niya, magpahinga kayo. Sometimes, rest has become a luxury for many of us. Trabaho ng trabaho na walang time na magbakasyon, magpahinga. Kaya marami sa atin ang stress, marami sa atin ang grumpy because we no longer know the value of resting. Tayo ay magpapahinga upang huminga bago pa tayo tuluyang mawalan ng hininga. At yung hininga, breath, is life. And that breath is God, the Spirit in us. And so when that Spirit dies, we also die. Hindi man physically but spiritually. Our relationship with God dies when that breath, when that spirit hininga dies because of too much work, of too much doing, but without really time with the Lord. And so when we do so much in doing something good, then it becomes simply charity work, and or social work. But when we do something good and spend time quality with God, then it becomes charitable work. Kaya mga kapatid, sana wag nating kalimutang magpahinga upang sa ganun ay patuloy na mabuhay yung hininga, yung presensya ng Diyos sa buhay natin, that breath. At yung pahinga na yan ay yung pagbababad ng oras kasama ang Diyos. Hindi lamang yung kung ano-anong ginagawa natin, kung saan tayo magpupunta, pero para magkaroon ng hininga, magpatuloy na mabuhay yung hininga, tayo nawa ay magbabad ng panahon sa mismong pinanggalingan o ang mismong hininga ang Diyos. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Litawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.